Verisurf 2026 introduces an enhanced levels manager that makes it easier to manage and organize CAD geometry in complex models. The new design features a hierarchical tree structure that organizes CAD geometry by entity type, including count, which makes visualizing and searching through levels more efficient, especially in large, complex models. You can select a level, or the entities within a level, to highlight the corresponding geometry in a graphics window, or you can search the model to identify the level of a selected entity in the Levels Manager. Levels can be grouped, added to an existing group, and moved between groups for greater flexibility, and groups can be nested to simplify the level display. A search function displays the levels in groups that contain a search string and expands the groups to show the associated levels. The display can be simplified further by filtering which groups are displayed in the tree. It's easy to control the display of CAD entities in Verisurf 2026. Level and group visibility can be toggled individually, or the entire tree structure can be turned off and on to display only the active level. Levels can be collapsed to facilitate navigation through complex models, and they can be organized by dragging and dropping to create a custom order that keeps frequently used levels together. Entities can be cut or copied from one level and pasted into another, where they're merged with entities of the same type to help manage level content. With Verisurf 2026, it's never been easier to manage and organize CAD geometry in complex models.